In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Spanish to English with DeepL. Whether you're using DeepL in your web browser or the desktop app, the process is the same and very straightforward. Start by opening the DeepL translator. If you're on the desktop app, launch it like any other program. If you're in a browser, navigate to the DeepL website. You'll see two main panels side by side. The left panel is where you put your original text, and the right panel shows the translation. Next, set your languages. In the drop-down above the left panel, choose Spanish as the source language. If you're not sure what language your text is in, select Detect Language and DeepL will figure it out automatically. Then in the drop-down above the right panel, set the target language to English. This ensures that whatever you paste on the left will come out in clear English on the right. Now paste your text into the left side box. You can paste a single sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs. As soon as you paste, DeepL will generate the English translation on the right almost instantly. Keep an eye on punctuation and accents in your original text. The clearer your input, the better the translation. If something looks off, try removing any stray symbols or formatting before pasting. Once you have a full translation, you can refine it for tone and precision. If you want to change a specific word in the translation, simply click that word. DeepL will show you a list of alternative options you can choose from. Pick the one that best matches your meaning or style, whether you want something more formal, more casual, or just closer to the context. When you select an alternative, DeepL updates the sentence automatically, so everything still reads smoothly. You can repeat this for any other words or phrases until the translation sounds exactly right. A few tips as you refine. Context is everything, so read each sentence out loud to catch nuances. For general or informal writing, pick simpler alternatives. For professional or academic content, choose more precise or formal ones. Proper names and specialized terms often don't need changes. Leave them as they are unless DeepL suggests a better-known English equivalent. That's all you need. Open DeepL, set Spanish to English, or use Detect Language. Paste your text on the left and fine-tune by clicking words to see alternatives. These steps work the same on both the web and desktop app, so use whichever is most convenient for you. Happy translating!